Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update search bar UI in Shopify for improved filtering UX, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section. Select themes from the submenu. Find the theme you want to edit and click on Actions. Choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the left panel, locate the Assets folder. Open the theme.js or theme.js.liquid file. Scroll to the section where the search bar functionality is defined. Identify the code responsible for the search input field. Modify the HTML structure to improve layout and design. To enhance the filtering experience, add appropriate placeholder text. Update the CSS file for styling adjustments to the search bar. Locate the Assets folder again and open the theme.scss.liquid file. Adjust the width and padding properties to ensure the search bar is user-friendly. Consider implementing a responsive design for mobile users. Add JavaScript for enhanced filtering options based on customer input. In the theme.js or theme.js.liquid file, incorporate event listeners for real-time results. Experiment with debounce functionality to improve performance. Test the site on various devices to ensure compatibility. Preview the changes in your Shopify store. Make any final adjustments based on your observations. Once satisfied, save your changes. Publish the updates to make the new search bar UI live. Monitor user feedback to identify further improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.